Struggling to manage your money effectively? Today, I'm going to teach you the 50-30-20 budgeting rule, a simple system that will transform how you handle your finances. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to implement it. So let's dive in and take control of your financial future once and for all. The 50-30-20 rule divides your after-tax income into three categories. 50% goes to needs, your essential expenses like housing, food, and utilities. 30% is for wants, entertainment, dining out, and lifestyle choices. And 20% goes directly to savings and debt repayment. This creates a balanced approach to money management. It's simple enough to follow, yet comprehensive enough to cover all your financial priorities. The beauty of this system is its flexibility and ease of implementation. You don't need complex spreadsheets or expensive software to make this work, just a clear understanding of your income and a commitment to stick to the percentages. Remember, this rule applies to your after-tax income, the money that actually hits your bank account each month. So if you earn $5,000 after taxes, you'd allocate $2,500 to needs, $1,500 to wants, and $1,000 to savings and debt repayment. Let's walk through a real example to make this crystal clear. Imagine you bring home $4,000 per month after taxes. Using the 50-30-20 rule, you'd allocate $2,000 to needs, $1,200 to wants, and $800 to savings. Your $2,000 for needs might include $1,200 for rent, $400 for groceries, $200 for utilities, and $200 for insurance. The $1,200 for wants covers dining out, entertainment, gym memberships, and other lifestyle expenses. Your $800 for savings might be split between emergency fund, retirement contributions, and debt payments. This gives you a clear roadmap for every dollar, ensuring you're covering essentials while still enjoying life and building wealth. You can track this using a simple notebook, smartphone app, or basic spreadsheet. The key is reviewing your spending monthly and adjusting as needed to stay within each category. When you stick to these percentages consistently, you'll see real progress in your financial health. Remember, these percentages are guidelines. You can adjust them slightly based on your specific situation and goals. Ready to get started? Here are 3 actionable tips. First, calculate your exact after-tax monthly income by averaging your last 3 pay stubs. Second, track your current spending for 1 week to understand where your money actually goes. Third, categorize each expense as a need, want, or savings to see how you currently compare to the 50-30-20 split. Don't worry if you're not hitting these percentages immediately. Small adjustments over time lead to big results. Set up automatic transfers to make saving effortless and ensure you pay yourself first. Track your progress monthly and celebrate small wins along the way. Remember, building good financial habits takes time, so be patient with yourself as you learn. Congratulations! You now have everything you need to implement the 50-30-20 budgeting rule. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more practical financial tips that actually work. And check the description below for a free budget template to get started immediately. This template includes everything we covered today, plus additional tracking tools to keep you on track. Your financial future starts with the first step you take today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video where we'll dive deeper into building your emergency fund.